Now I will do another experiment of science. This experiment name is air has pressure downside. Material used is one empty bottle with lid, one bottle filled with water, and one pin. Now I will this empty bottle I will fill with water. I have filled here water top till top. Don't leave any space. Then close the lid. Take pin and pour inside it. I am tying here pin. I have tied here pin. The water is not falling.
Turn around this. Show me.
See.
Yes. There is no water.
Now I will open the lid of the bottle.
Oh
and
my
you
God.
can see water is coming out.
It's very amazing.
I will close the lid. The water stopped.
Oh, very good.
This is because the air has downside.